Yeah, he's gonna go get a haircut and we're about to go eat.
Big bag. Did you say flip? Oh. Your phone's on. You didn't bring a charger? That's crazy. So.
Are you still gonna continue filming?
It's a mug bag of just chips. Yeah.
And this salsa that I love.
Good chips.
That is not ASMR.
That's ASMR. So there is a dude.
There's somebody here kind of being racist.
We go from every spot to every spot. Tell the story about the last spot, so we don't make it hot. We should tag them. We're gonna tag y'all. If y'all fuck with us, you know.
Y'all will send us like
Send us
6
like
of 6.
Send us like like a 12 pack. I feel like I'm mad talking.
Gotta eat.
So I get outside.
The best thing about being married to Journey is that he doesn't like salsa, he doesn't like guacamole, he doesn't like habichuela, he doesn't like anything with sauces on it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Jeden, dwa, trzy, cztery, pięć. That's five? Okay. If you said like that, I try. Spanish with me, I don't understand Spanish.
No, yes.
I know Spanish. Mondongo, mofongo,
You know
mañana.
mofongo.
If you know mañana, you know Spanish.
Exactly,
You know.
yes.
Everything mañana.
Mofongo is good.
And mañana, everything is Spanish. Come on, don't tell me that kind of music. Okay, come on. Five. Yesterday was. Why you make?
The food's so good. It's our favorite spot. We've been
I
here.
was many times. Was 4 now 5. Why?
And the price always is back good.
Inflation in America or in Mexico. This is 5. Okay. Before was 4, and I always give you tip and was 5. Now it's 5 over 10.
I'm done about it too.
That eyes.
It's terrible for you. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Take care, man.
Man, this is good, you know.
You want some?
Huh?
You want some?
I'm sorry.
Oh, I can take, no from him, from you.
No, you take it. You take it. It's good.
But it's more than $5.
I feel very good.
Yes, it's amazing. Take care, man. God bless. Always. I can't even stop you. He said he'll take it from me for now. But this is so good. I think we're gonna turn off the camera for a little bit and just chill.
Wonder why we eat one meal. This is why. I'm done. I feel full.
Nah, they should make a.
So if I was to put you guys on to this product that I just bought.